Hi guys, welcome back to another video with Sophie, and today we are at BKK1 and we want to show you, you guys always ask, is there any property that is ready to move in within next year or 6 months? So let's go and we're going to show you one of the BKK1 project. It's called UC88 and we're going to show you what they offer. So we're now on the hotel level, and UC88 separate into actually 3 sections. It have hotel, residential, and another one is a premium floor. Do you live alone? Let me show you a studio. So this is a studio at UC88 and it costs around 120K on high floor facing to the river view. So it have a little bit of a balcony that you can hang your clothes. In Cambodia, we don't use dryer, so you don't ask for dryer because we are hanging our clothes outside right here. But it's up to you, it's your choice how you want to decorate. But the room comes as it look like this, except the small decoration below. And it is, you can set up the office desk over here. What I like the most about here is the bathroom, the kitchen area is really big, so it's easy when you live alone or a couple. It's easy to cook because a lot of places that I visit, the kitchen is quite small and quite narrow, so it's very difficult when you need to cook and stuff. So here you have the nice cabinet because the ceiling height is quite high. It's make this room actually look really big. This is the bathroom, separated shower and the toilet. So you can put your makeup thing over here. So if you live alone or you're single or you're not single, you're a couple. So what do you think about this studio? So let me show you. This is the resident floor, and this is a 2-bedroom, or you can call 1+1, but it's 2 bathrooms. So the kitchen is over here. I really like it. It looks very cozy. And over here you have a nice living room facing to the river view. You still have a little bit of a river view, so but the balcony is very nice, as you can see out there. What I like about this project is that what you see is what you get. Ceiling height is 3.1, so it's make the room feel really big. And over here we have a master bedroom, as you can walk in here. The closet is over here. It's a very nice built-in closet. I like it, and especially Cambodian very popular with this decoration inside. So here is another extra bedroom. It's not super big, but it still fit your friend coming over, and it's already have a built-in closet. So the price is not cheap. You might wondering how much. So this unit itself, it's cost around 240K on the market price, and this is the bathroom that you will have. Let me show you a trick. I'm really good at cooking, by the way. So when I see the fridge and I see all the equipment in here, it makes me feel like I can become a housewife, but I still work. So you guys, tell me what you thought about this 2-bedroom in the comment below, if you think it's worth it. So this is the 2-bedroom hotel design. It costs around $250,000 and you will get 6% on your return for 5 years, and then the next 5 years is based on the negotiation what the market offer. The kitchen is over here, so you can stay short-term or long-term stay. You can prepare your cooking, and over here you have a nice living room setup. Over here there's no balcony because you will stay in the hotel, so I guess you will do all your laundry with this hotel service. Here is another extra bedroom over here. It's common as what you see right here, designed as a hotel. And over here is the bathroom for your guests or you're staying with the family. And this one, it will be a master bedroom. So walking here, I feel like I'm traveling in KL or in Singapore. So I like the bathroom. The bathroom is really big. I believe that is something unique about UC88 plus the view. So let me know what your thoughts about this property, and we're gonna give you our honest opinion. And if you find to know more the property in Cambodia, contact us.